We're going to make help articles searchable in your app. From the dashboard, select Help Hub. You can see we have a number of different integrations with help desk platforms available. We'll select Wix for our example. Making your help article searchable with command bar requires you to provide the public domain for your help docs, and works for help centers without authentication. I'll put in the URL of an example set of docs and click Connect. Here we can see they've loaded. This can take a few seconds depending on how many articles you have. You can also click Run Sync Now to pull in additional updates, or set it to automatically update. Then we'll go back to Help Hub and select Widgets. There are two ways you can make your help docs searchable. A dedicated widget specifically for help called Help Hub, or you can use the bar, which can include all kinds of different things like actions and data, as well as the help articles. Choose either you'd like to use, or both. You can also set up instant answers, which uses AI to extract questions and answers from your help docs. We won't cover that in this video, so we'll click skip. And that's it. We can then go into the Help Hub in the editor. You can see a preview of what the help search experience will look like in your app. Searching on the topic, then previewing the help article directly within the app itself, either in the bar, like this, or in the dedicated Help Hub widget.